Hello there, folks. My name is Vukile. We have dealt with the derivation of modes of the C major scale, and that showed us all the modes that exist in the key of C. For example, in the key of C, we have degrees 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and the notes are C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and back to C. And we found out that the modes that are in there are the C Ionian, and we go to the second degree, which is D Dorian, and the third degree E Phrygian, the fourth degree F Lydian, and the fifth degree G Mixolydian, the sixth degree A Aeolian mode, and the seventh degree B Locrian mode. Now, you may come up with a question of, if you see a mode, a mode of a C mode, for example, C Ionian, then you ask yourself, where does this, in which major scale does this one come from? So that's the question that we're going to answer today. So I'm having in front of me here a table. Here we're going to have the major scale where each particular C mode comes from, and this is the formula for the major scale. So all the formulas are the same here because it's the major scale, and the code that you get from each it's got the same formula. Okay, and this is the scale ruler, and we're going to write the modes down here as we go, and here as well on the left hand side. So this, on this table, the scale is this one here. It's a major scale, and the degree is 1, 2 up to 8 here, or /1. Okay, so here we go. For C Ionian mode, you know that that's the first mode, so you put C here, and then you create a major scale from here, C. So the next one is D, E, F, G, A, B, and back to C. So you found out, it's obvious that the C Ionian mode is the first mode of the C major scale. So it's a C major scale here, and that's the C major scale. Now for the second, when you have C Dorian mode, C Dorian mode is a mode of. So what you do is you put your C on the second. Dorian is the second mode, so you put it here. Now after doing that, you move backwards. You may want to move backwards, which is by a tone, because you know the formula for the major scale, the intervallic formula is tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Or if you're in America, whole tone, a half a, sorry, whole step, whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. Okay, so we are here. So you put it in. So if you move back to here, you get C flat, C flat, which is your C flat is what your B here on this box, and if you move back again, you get a B flat. So that's a B flat. So you're in the key of B flat. So it's a mode of B flat major scale. So the next thing that you have to do, that's a scale there. The next thing that you have to do is to then go on here. Now the next thing that you're gonna get here is you put a D here. D. So from C to D, D. Then you go E. Now E is supposed to be a tone above, so it's E flat here. E flat. And that's an F. You go F. F sharp. That's F sharp. F sharp G. So you got a G here. G sharp A. And back to B flat. Okay. So this is your B flat major scale. And the tetrad you're going to get there is this one. So let's go to the next one. The next one, you put your C here. C, you can do it by going forward first. C or going backwards. Let's go backwards. It's nearer to go backwards, and then we figure out the scale, and then we know. Then if you move back, you find there's B there, and then there's B flat there. B flat. Then there's A and A flat there. A flat. Okay, so we now know it's A flat here. So we go on with this one. C, then this one is gonna be that's supposed to be a C sharp. Then that's a D flat. You remember the rules for writing this. You have to write a different note all the time on these degrees. You know, each degree is. So there's a D there and there's an E. So there's E flat. E flat, E here, and F. Okay, F sharp here, and there's a G here. So this is your scale of A flat major. It's also called C Phrygian. So A flat major scale. Okay, so let's go to the next one. The next one, you put your C here because it's a C Lydian mode, so it's got to be on the fourth degree. On the fourth degree. So when I put it here, you gotta go back by one, and there's a B there. There's an A there. From A, there's a G. Okay, so this is pretty nice. So a tone above, that's above C, that's D, and a tone above D, that's E, and a tone above E, that's F sharp, F sharp, and you back to G. So we know that C Lydian is in the key of G major scale. So we are happy with that. Now, as we do, just correct these and look at these this ruler here as we go. And for C mixolydian, we want to find out where C mixolydian comes from. C mixolydian. Okay, so we go C, because we're creating a major scale. It's in a certain major scale here, which we don't know. Now we can go C, put a tone here, C, D, E, and F. Oh, that's a funny one. So C, you see this one here, there's a C flat. So we know that it's F here. That's what you know. F, we move a tone, that's a G. And G, we move a tone, that's A. Now we need a letter here, which we don't have, which is B flat. That's B flat. Okay, that's what we have. So we're in the key of F, and this is the major scale of F major scale of F, this one, F major scale. So it's F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. Okay, for the next one, we also do the same thing. This is our F major scale. Then C Ionian mod is a mod of. Then you go and put your C here on the sixth. Now you put your D here. Now you're going to find out that this, if you have to move a semitone, that's E flat. So that we're in the key of E flat here. So E flat, E flat, you go to E and then F. F sharp, G. G sharp, A. So G sharp is the same as A flat. And so A here, A sharp, B. So A sharp is same as B flat. Okay. So we find out that C Ionian mod is the same as E flat major scale. It's a mod of E flat major scale, which is also E Ionian. We have seen that. Okay. Now we go on to the next one. So which scale is it in which C is the seventh mod? C here, C. So you have to put a D flat here because that's the next note. So it's in D flat. You can even say D flat major here. D flat major scale. Now we can construct the key of D flat. Now I put this D flat, D flat. So D flat, this is D sharp. So D sharp is same as E flat, and E flat. Then we go to F. Then this is G flat, and this is G flat. G sharp is same as A flat, and this is B flat. So here we go. We have our major scales from which we derive, from which we get actually our mods. So as mod 1, C Ionian is found in C major scale. C Dorian is found in B major scale. C Phrygian mod is a mod of A flat major scale, and C Lydian mod is a mod of G major scale. C Mixolydian mod is a mod of F major scale. A Aeolian mod is a mod of E flat major scale. C Locrian is a mod of D flat major scale. Now, you may want to notice that in each case, if in each of these, because all these are major scales in here, so it means C, just as it is that C Ionian is the same as D Dorian, E Phrygian, F Lydian, G Mixolydian, A Aeolian, B Locrian. We have the same notes. It's the same as here, B flat, Ionian, and C Dorian, D Phrygian, E flat Lydian, F Mixolydian, G Ionian, A Locrian. So you can do the same on all these. So they're the same. So here we go. This is what we have, and all these major scales. So that's why we have these formulas. Now you can play this Locrian mode, C Locrian mode. You can play it over this. Sound good. So C Locrian mode. Play it over D flat major. So if we were to finish this one, then that's gonna be a B flat major and an A flat major and a G major and an F major and an E flat major and a D flat major. Okay, this is the thing. So thank you very much. We have answered the question that we had initially. Which major scale does this C mod come from? And we found that we have the answers here now. C Ionian mode is from this, and C Dorian mode is from B flat, and so on up to here. Thank you very much. My name is Vakila. In the next video, we're going to see a simpler way of doing this without having to construct this thing here. We're just going to follow 3 steps, and then we mention the major scale from which any mode is coming from. Okay. My name is Vakila. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye.